That is a small keyboard right there. 40-ounce peanut butter. Look at the comparison there. Twice as tall as peanut butter jar.
My friends, I ended up getting one of the tiniest keyboards I have ever used off of Amazon. It is literally 2 times the size of a peanut butter jar. In fact, already recorded that. So I know that I can compare it to a peanut butter jar for you. The switches sound awesome. Guess what? We'll never, ever buy a keyboard for $200 or more ever again. Because guess what? Logitech, I love you. You're an awesome company. But Logitech, I went through 2 of your keyboards, both of which cost me like $150. Razer, same thing. Love you. Awesome company. Great products. 3 of your keyboards, not 2, 3. However, Logitech keyboards are a lot more expensive, so that's why it's a bigger issue. However, UMK 100 wired 60%, 68 keys, mechanical keyboard with palm rest, blue switches, 19 RGB backlights, full keys anti-ghosting, pro driver supported.
Guess what I just did right there? I literally read the Amazon product listing. Am I not the smartest person in the entire world?
I ordered it off of Amazon, so why would I not do this? Personal opinion, love the keyboard. It is very small, teeny tiny keyboard. I'm used to bigger keyboards. About this item, portable, 60% mechanical keyboard. Our 68 keys compact wired keyboard saves desk space for your mouse movement. Voice crack that will be left in this video. What's more is that it's easy to carry around. Perfect for home, office, travel, and casual gaming. It comes with a 1.8 millimeter detachable Type-C cable for easy setup and storage. That is something, I actually thought it was Bluetooth when I was setting this thing up.
But it's not. But still pretty cool to have a cable that unplugs from it.
Blue switch. The mechanical gaming keyboard is designed with classic blue switches, which deliver the crisp, audible click sound, as well as a paragraph feeling. That's the Amazon listing saying that, a paragraph feeling. Literally no idea what that means. So if there's anybody that is more intelligent than me, feel free to let me know down in the comment section below what a paragraph feeling is. I am not the best reviewer. So basically I'm reading everything about what this keyboard is, and I'm going to tell you if it's false, fake, bullcrap, or if it's actually real. Personal opinion from what I've used, the keyboard, I don't really play games very much anymore, so I literally only hopped on Destiny 2 for like 10 minutes. And it felt pretty cool. Felt pretty good. Okay, so back to the paragraph feeling. Where are we? I lost my spot. Paragraph feeling. It will offer you excellent tactile feedback on each key press to help ensure accurate data entry. It is perfect for gaming and typing. No, all keys are not hot swappable. Did not know that. Every key I attempted to remove came off, so I mean, I guess I'm just super intelligent to understand what keys are able to be removed and what ones are not. 19 backlit modes. It features 19 light modes with static, breathing, flowing. Please press FN plus insert keys simultaneously to change the LED modes or via software. There are 5 level brightnesses and speeds. These modes will let you feel enjoyable. These modes will let you feel enjoyable when you're playing. I'm like reading exactly what it says. These modes will let you feel enjoyable when you're playing, gaming, or typing at night. If you have the ability to reword your listing, you should probably do that with that paragraph right there. Customizable software. You can expand your options using the Pro software. It supports assigning keys, editing macros, and setting up multimedia keys, customizing lighting, as well as brightness. These will be more efficient for your work and game. I'm going to go ahead and be honest right now. I didn't know that. And I'm also going to be honest about this one. I literally have not ever read a manual ever in the history of me ever getting a product. So this actually comes with an application that costs money to develop, which I have not installed because I did not read the manual. Full anti-ghosting and ergonomic design. All 68 keys.
Oh my god. Okay, don't purchase it. Why would you make a keyboard with 68 keys and not 69? Why would you not put one more key to have like the dopest amount of keys on a keyboard ever?
If it wasn't obvious, I was being a smartass there. This keyboard's actually really cool. I actually do. I like this keyboard. It's super like small form and compact. For 30 bucks plus right now you can clip a coupon to save another $10. Dude, this thing is a really good deal. That's super cheap. I have only had this for about a week, and you see, why am I not using it right now if I like it so much? Because, my friends, I am a content creator. Let's go ahead and compare my keyboard to this. Are you ready? You heard that, right? Not very loud. You ready? Pretty big difference, right? If you like the click, you like the click. My keyboard. Theirs. Why would I say theirs when it's literally mine? That was probably the dumbest comparison ever. But I'm going to leave it in the video because literally idiot reviews a keyboard. That is what I'm going to title this video probably. I like it. Thumbnail time. Ooh, I probably should leave this in the video to increase my watch time. $33, but there is a $10 coupon that you can, clip with the link down in the description below. Overall, I recommend that thing. I think it's a cool little keyboard, extremely small, a little bit smaller than my liking as a creator that, has hotkeys for their video editing program. However, for gaming, I can definitely see this being very, very cool. But yeah, the link to this keyboard will be down in the description below. I highly recommend it, especially for people on a lower end budget. But yeah, that's going to bring us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to leave a like if you did, subscribe if you haven't already. Check out one of these videos that are on screen, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.